Hello, and happy Monday. Had a short day at work today, so I decided to take a little trip to Griffith Quarry and do a little bit of walking, connecting with nature. As I take nice, big, deep breaths, just reminding you, drop into your heart space. Place your hand on your heart. Get out of your head. Just drop down into the heart as you breathe in to that beautiful space of yours. Think about what you're grateful for. Think about beautiful memories. Remember why you're here. So continue to breathe. Make time to do things you love. Make time to get out in nature. And keep breathing. I also want to remind you that you're not alone. That you are so loved. And you are enough. Enjoy the rest of your day. Send you lots of love and light. Namaste.